Good morning, second graders. This is for Language Arts English. Today we're going to take a look at plural pronouns. Plural meaning more than one. We can be talking about more than one thing, more than one person, a group of people. So plural pronouns are pronouns that talk about more than one. You use them every day. You probably don't realize it. Some examples are we and they. You can also be singular or plural. I can talk about you as a student, one person, or I can talk about you as a class. That's more than one student, so that would be plural. So let's take a look. We and they are plural pronouns. You may be singular or plural. So you got to watch that one, all right? If it's it, are they referring to you as a group or you as one person? That will be the biggest clue right there. We read the Bible together. My dad and I read the Bible together. We, it's talking about my dad and I. They memorized Bible verses. My class, the second grade class, they memorized their Bible verses. I'm talking about more than one student in this class. You are my best friend. Friend. Notice there's no S on the back of that friend, so they're talking about one person. So that means it's singular. Now let's look at the other one. You are my best friends. There's an S on the back of it. That's plural. So that becomes a plural you. All right. So let's take a look at the first one. Underline the 3 plural pronouns in this paragraph. My family went on a mission trip to Mexico. We helped the missionary at a church. The people were very kind. They taught my family a song in Spanish. Maybe you all can go on a mission trip too. Do you see any plural pronouns in there? If you do, make sure you underline them. Don't forget, you can refer to more than one person, so it can be plural too, not just singular. For the rest of the pages, on page 169 in your language arts books, you need to write we or they to replace the underlined part in the sentence. Now, here's the tricky part. We refers to yourself and maybe someone else, or maybe a group of other people with you included. So you're going to say we. If you're talking about 2 other people that does not include yourself, you're going to say they. So I want you to read those sentences and then figure out which pronoun you need to use to replace the underlined part. For 5 and 6, you need to decide whether the you is talking about more than one or if it's just one. So then you'll circle singular or plural. Look for the clues, remember. So number 5, you played the game all by yourself. Does that sentence include anybody else? Number 6, you all may eat the cookies. Do you see that? You all may eat the cookies. She could be referring to a group of kids. That's definitely more than one. So you need to circle singular or plural and decide which one is which. On page 170, I would like you to write a sentence using a plural pronoun. So we, they, or you all, something that makes it a group of people. So plural pronouns, and I know you guys can do it. Capitalize the beginning of your sentence, make sure it's a complete thought, and use punctuation at the end of your sentence. Very important. For number 8, you're going to underline 4 plural pronouns. Remember, look for those words. We, they, you. Then for numbers 9, 10, and 11, you need to decide. We're practicing here. We or they. Which pronoun will replace the underlined part? Here again for 12 and 13, you're going to decide, is it a plural or is it singular when they use the word you? And then at the very bottom, we are just practicing. You're going to mark the correct sentence. For example, for number 14, Kim and me like to play, or Kim and I like to play. Which one would be the best one? Which pronoun? All right. So remember, I is usually part of the subject. If you're talking about the subject, it's usually I. If you're referring to yourself after the verb or the action word, then it becomes me. So make sure you take a look at that. All right, guys, that's it for Monday and Tuesday. We'll talk more later in the week about singular possessive pronouns. Sounds complicated, but I promise you it's not. We'll talk to you soon. Bye, kids. Have a great day.